Today, how about we try a real forest walk?
Huh? EOU invited us first?
This map might not be accurate, but it looks cool.
Why are you even bringing that?
Okay, we're not lost yet.
We took the wrong path a while ago.
Go left, I'm sure. Oh!
Hold my hand. I'll pull you up. No, I can climb out myself. Whew. The wind says...
It says rain is coming. We need to move.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna say. Thanks, everyone. I'm really glad we came together.
Looks like we just discovered a secret spot of the forest. My lessons were kinda all wrong.
And I pointed the wrong way.
And my map was from the wrong century.
If you guys weren't here, I wouldn't dare come alone.
What matters isn't choosing the right path, but having friends beside you. Even if they lead you the wrong way sometimes, it's still okay.